Custom Columns in Revu's Markups list lets you organize, track, and analyze project data in ways that fit your specific needs. To create a custom column, open the Markups list, then click the Markups list menu, select Columns, and then choose Manage Columns. Then go to the Custom Columns tab. From here, you can import or export columns, add new ones, or edit existing columns and decide if you want them included in your profile. Click Add to make a new column, where you can enter a name and select the type of column from the drop-down list. The 6 types of columns are checkmark for a checkable box, choice for a list of selectable options, date, which adds a date picker, formula for calculations using values from other columns, number for editable numbers with optional constraints like currency or decimal places, and text for single or multi-line text fields. The options you see will vary depending on the column type you select. For this example, select Choice in the Type dropdown and name it Materials. Then click Add at the bottom to add a new item. Give your item a name, like Polished Concrete. You can add a subject, so the choice only appears for markups with the same subject. For instance, if you want this material option to show only for flooring markups. For this example, enter flooring. You can also assign a numeric value, such as material cost. This value will be associated with this choice in later usage, like referencing it in a formula column. Click OK to create the item, and repeat these steps to add more choices. Once you finish adding your items, click OK, then click OK again. Your new custom column will now appear in the Markups list. If you have a markup with a matching subject, like flooring, you'll see your material options in the new column. You can also assign custom values using the Properties panel. Keep in mind, if a markup has a different subject, those choices won't show up unless you change its subject to match. You can show or hide custom columns in the Columns menu, or by adjusting the display order in the Manage Columns dialog. Any data you add to custom columns can also be exported with your Markup Summary for further analysis.